Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to increase or decrease the font size on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Chat Settings. Under Message Text Size section, drag the scroller to the right to increase the font size. Drag it to the left to decrease the font size. Now go back to the home screen and open a chat to see how it looks. This is how you can increase or decrease the font size on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.